Hey everybody, Lorraine here. I have an 8x10 canvas today. A piece of plastic wrap. I have a few colors I've picked out here. A turquoise, ultramarine blue, and Anita's fluorescent orange, and some gold. And I've already put a base of white down. Get the air bubbles out of it. You can see there's something here. Okay. And I'm going to start out by just putting a few little puddles. Not very big. That was my turquoise. Go to the ultramarine blue. Just a few drops, not a lot. I can always add more later if I want to. And my fluorescent orange. Oop, got an air bubble. Yep. And a little bit of gold. I'm not sure how the gold's going to look in here, but I like gold. I like the metallic in there. So I'll just add a little bit and see how it works. My piece of plastic wrap. And I'm just going to dip it. Not quite liking that. I'm getting the ends of the plastic wrap. I'll turn it around a little bit. Dip this. That's better. Grab some paper towels so that I can wipe this. I love the way it's just delicate looking. Dip here. Okay. A little bit more color down. Not doing anything special with the plastic wrap. I'm just kind of wadding it up. So they can pick up the color. Some little delicate wispies on my canvas. Kind of giving it a look. See if I want to put anything anywhere else. It's like a little unicorn's horn right there. That's kind of cool. Put a little bit more orange up in here. Some of my turquoise next to it. Not quite liking what it's doing yet. Not quite what I was looking for. Pop the bubbles and see what we come up with. Not quite sure yet. A little bit of a, move it around a little bit. It's very light, very delicate looking. I think I might do a little puddle in the middle of it and move out. A little bit larger. Just a couple drops of the orange in here. None of the gold is staying around. So, not sure about that. Give it a dip. I'm not sure that I like this too much. Let's see what else is possible here. I'm going to get a straw and blow some of it out, and maybe we can pull up some of the color underneath. I see I've got some bare spots here. Put a little bit of white down. And blow out the edges. Turn it around a little bit. Liking that better. Add a little bit of the ultramarine here. Tiny bit of turquoise. And blow it out that way. A drop of the orange in there. That I like. A little bit of a kind of a flower in the middle of it. Going two different flowers, going two different directions. Some softness around the edges. I'm liking it. Drop up turquoise over here. Just going to keep working on it until it gives me something I like. Drop here. A little bit of white in here. Try and bring a few little cells up into that. Ooh, I like that. It's very pretty. I'm going to do something down here. A little bit of blue. A little bit of that orange. Get a bubble right in the middle of that. Get rid of it. Tiny bit of white in here. There we go. Let's see how this looks. There's no color in there. A little bit of turquoise. Like that. Oh yeah. Oh, it looks like a perfect little explosion. I love it. Really like it now. The torch, so some really pretty webbing going on. Spot right there I don't quite like. A couple of things I can cover up. Very pretty. Right around. That's very pretty. Tell me what you think. Just kind of playing around with the different colors and seeing how they'll work together. Top corner, get some little bitty cells going on in there. Little bitty cells going on in here. That ultramarine blue is so pretty. I'm liking it. I hope you like it too. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for coming and watching me paint. Appreciate it. Thanks for visiting. Bye.